The way we're going to approach this problem is by setting up a system of equations where we're going to have two equations with two unknowns, and we're going to use those equations to find the unknowns. But before we do that, we should define what an average is. So by definition, an average is equal to the sum of all values in a set. And a set in this definition is just a group of numbers. In this sigma here is just a fancy way of saying sum. Over the number of values in that set, right? So our first equation here, we're just going to set that equal to our initial average. So we're going to say M1, our initial average, is equal to this unknown sum of 6 numbers. Since we don't know what that is, we'll just call it big S, over 6 is equal to 18. Cool, nothing crazy. And for our second equation, we're going to say that our new mean, we'll call that M2, is equal to, well, it's still equal to our big S plus this new unknown value X over, well, how many values are there in the new set? Well, 6 plus 1, so 7 is equal to 20. Okay, so we can see that using our first equation here, we can solve for a value of S, right? And then we can use that S, plug it into our second equation, we can solve X. Okay, so we're going to say that S is equal to 18 times 6, which is equal to 108. We'll plug that back in. We'll say that 108 plus x over 7 is equal to 20. And using this equation, we can just solve for x. So we'll say that x is equal to 20 times 7 minus 108. And we can see that x is equal to 32. Okay. So our final answer is C. X is equal to 32.